What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today is going to be a battle video. So, for those of you who know, I had custom made a 3D printed Beyblade. Had it custom made with nylon with a little bits of grain and resin in it, and had it painted, but with everyone having the name used, so I kind of not really scrapped it, but I decided to pick something else, something unique to me and me only. Well, not me only, because I'm pretty sure that a lot of people have something like that, but so that's how I came up with Nouva Drahken. But the old bay I had is Alpha Fenrir. This is the 3D printed bay I had custom made. And today, I'm going to battle these two to see which one's the best. Will it be Drahken or will it be Fenrir? Let's start the battle. So, first test launch, because I don't know this, because I feel like this will scrape. Okay. Because I made a new frame for Drahken since the other one broke. So, okay, now let's actually start the battles. So, round 1. And Drahken doing his favorite thing and getting stuck on the launcher. Okay, round 1. Fenrir getting some nice hits. Drahken is going at it. And Drahken is fault. Round 1 goes to Fenrir. So I'm going to take the frame off, because I feel like it's kind of messing up its performance, and I will put on the glaive frame, because I really like glaive, but I also like turn, but I don't have a turn, so I will put on glaive. Okay, so point 1 to Fenrir, round 2. Fenrir is going around, Drahken's taking the center, and a knockout. Fenrir takes the next point. It's the first to 5 points wins. Let's go. Round 3. Okay, that was a snipe, so I'm not going to count that. Okay, don't judge me, I don't really know. Okay, I think that was a snipe because it wasn't actually a battle, so. Okay, so round 3. Really nice hits. Who will win? And Alpha Fenrir takes that again. Drahken is getting knocked around like crazy. Okay, round 4. With the new model I'm working on, it's not going to have that problem with it getting stuck on the launcher, so thank God. Okay, so round 4. Came out and attacked, but I think Drahken takes that because I thought it went into this side, but actually it landed here. I mean, I think it went in, but I'll give Drahken that point. Okay, so next round. Drahken's going around and knockout. Okay. Okay, not my bad, not Drahken. Fenrir has gone around, so I'm gonna launch Fenrir first and then Drahken. Drahken gains some nice hits. So is Fenrir. Some really hard hits. Who will take it? And the winner is Drahken. So I guess they both had the same stamina, no matter who goes in first. So Drahken. Ooh, a hard hit. Fenrir was knocked out, but came back in. And Fenrir takes that. I think it's 4-1. 4-2. Okay, round 6. I wasn't keeping count, my bad. So round. Okay. Fenrir's in. Is doing some really nice attacks pattern. But sadly, Drahken couldn't hold up. So Fenrir takes that. I think I said first to 5 wins. So next round. Yep. And Drahken ran himself out. Okay. Round 5. Fenrir's going around. Drahken's taking the center. Fenrir's closing in for the attack. And knockout. Alpha Fenrir takes that with the win. So Drahken has lost this battle, sadly. Alpha Fenrir is actually very, very strong. I was hoping for a burst, but hey, let's do one more battle just to see who could actually take this point. But it's probably going to be Fenrir for all I know. Fenrir's going around and it runs itself out. Okay, so let's do that. And that is a knockout. So winner will be Alpha Fenrir. But it won in right spin, but it has not went against Drahken in its left spin. So I will put that in the next video. This is Alpha Fenrir is still one of the stronger bays I have, even though the teeth are crap on it. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Have a nice day, and hope you subscribe and hit the bell icon if there is one. I hope you subscribe, like the video, and have a fantastic day.